Good morning, children. Children, today we will learn new chapter. This is a or an. This is a and. Now, children, see this word this. This this. This. This word we use to indicate the object which are nearby us. Now, children, see here. I kept here ball. This is a ball. This ball is nearby me. Nearby me. That's why I am saying this is a ball. The things which are nearby us, we can say this. We use the word this. Now see here. I kept here many things. Ball, pen, book, sketch pen, sharpener, then duster, mask, water bottle. So many things I kept here nearby me. So which things are nearby you? Use the word this. This is a ball. This is a pen. This is an eraser. Why an eraser? Because erasers is vowel. So this is an eraser. Children, see, if this ball I will keep far away, then I can say that is a ball because this object is far away from me. So that is a ball. That ball is far away from me. So that is a ball. And these things are nearby me. This is an eraser. This is a book. See, all things are nearby me. This is a book. This is a pencil. This is a pen. This is a sketch pen. This is a sharpener. This is a book. This is a bat. This is a water bottle. This is a duster. This is a mask. So these all things are nearby me. That's why I am saying this word I am using. Now children, see this page. On this page they have given many pictures and we have to read it. Now children, all of you understood na this concept? The things which are near by us, we will say this. We will use the word this. And which things are far away from us, we can say that is a ball, that is a chair, that is a cupboard. And which things are nearby us, we will use the word this. Okay children? Now let's start our reading. Say after me. This is a bird. This is an igloo. This is a hut. This is an apple. This is a key. This is an eagle. Children, why here and came? Because A is vowel. Before vowel and I is vowel. E is vowel. So before vowel and. Before vowel and. Before vowel and. Now children, see here. They have given here two pictures. Picture of cap and picture of engine. And they have asked you color the picture and complete the sentence. Now see, they have given here the word cap and engine. And we have to complete the sentence. But how? So write down here. THRS this. Then keep distance. Then write down IS is. Then keep distance. Write down a. This is a cat. Now see here. E is vowel. So before vowel write down and. So THIS. This is, keep distance and write is, then keep distance and write down an. This is an engine. This is an engine. Keep distance and write down. This is an engine. Okay children? Now children, this is your today's homework. You have to read this page. How to read? This is a bird. This is an igloo. This is a hut. This is an apple. This is a key. This is an eagle. This is a cat. And this is an engine. Okay children? And complete this homework also. Write down this homework and send on me on WhatsApp group. Draw first these pictures and then complete these words. Fill up these words. Okay children? Bye.